Ever wonder what actually happens during a Harley-Davidson 15,000 mile or 24,000 km service? Today I got the full access to film the entire process, start to finish, so that you know exactly what you're paying for. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wes, and today we're servicing my 2019 Fat Pop 114. This is one of the bigger service intervals and there's a lot going on than just an oil change. So let's take a look. We're starting off with the most familiar part, the engine oil and filter. At 24,000 km, the mechanic is checking for more than just dark oil. Metal fragments, shavings, and the condition of the O-ring can tell you a lot about the engine's health. This is the engine oil that I'm using for today. With the filter change, we're going to be using about 4.7 liters of engine oil. Brakes are one of the most important parts of this service. The mechanic checks the pad thickness, rotor wear, potential leaks, and the age of the brake fluid. A brake fluid tester is used to check the water content in the brake fluid. It determines whether it needs to be replaced or not. Brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years. The heat and humidity in Singapore really plays a part in this. The mechanic then flushes out all my brake fluid and he replaces it with new ones. A brake fluid bleeder is used to quicken the process. Next are the tires. The mechanic measures the tread depth and checks the pressure of the tire, ensuring that the tire is still healthy and safe to ride with. Next, the battery health and conductance is checked. This ensures that the battery is still healthy and good to go. The air filter is removed and cleaned thoroughly. And then it's set out to let dry. Then, fluid film is sprayed to prevent corrosion and to also lubricate moving parts. Any dirt, rust or corrosion on the battery terminals are sanded off and the battery is reinstalled. Though the transmission and primary oils do not have to be changed during this servicing, I personally requested for mine to be. This is the lubricant I'll be using today. The primary uses about 1.18 liters and the transmission uses about 0.95 liters. The mechanic then lubricates the clutch cable and cleans the entire clutch lever of any dirt or grime. And then he further lubricates the cable from the top to the bottom. Everything is reinstalled and he resets the clutch adjuster. And then the bolts are tightened and torqued down in a star pattern. Here's something that many riders miss: the drive belt and fastener inspection. Belts can last a long time, but tension must be checked. Loose bolts, you definitely don't want it on your Harley. Now for the electrical system. Wiring, connectors and aero codes are usually checked. If your bike has electronic control units or rider modes, this is when updates or calibrations are usually done. Once everything is done, the mechanic does a quick rinse of the bike and a final safety check. Then, he brings the bike out for a test ride. This confirms that the brakes, throttle response, clutch and electronics all feel right. And that's it everyone, thank you so much for watching. If this helped you understand Harley's 24,000 service better, hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next, maybe the next servicing, or maybe to review another Harley model.